Mark Cuban thoughts about $7 stock. Hi and welcome back to my channel, everyone. If you're a new person on this channel, then kindly go and subscribe to my channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon in order to get new notifications and latest updates about my channel. Mark Cuban thoughts about new stock. I am your host and I am back with a fantastic video, and in this video I will explain a new stock Mark Cuban thinks has huge potential and will go up by over 100 times. It is straightaway commercialism at simply $7 a share, and that I am holding 200 shares of the stock for a month. I will even be talking about Lumina Technologies or ticker image laser at the top of the video, thus keep tuned for that. The company I'm about to be talking concerning first is Foresight Autonomous Holdings or ticker image FSRX, and make sure to stay around to the top due to the stock having vast growth potential, and it won't be an over-counter stock for much longer. Mark Cuban has had a stimulating career as a man of affairs, investor, and NBA owner of the Dallas Mavericks. I'm encouraging you'll get the whole data concerning new stock given by Mark Cuban by the top of this video. So, certify that you will watch this video until the last. So, while not wasting it slowly, let's begin our videotape. Foresight Autonomous Holdings. Foresight Autonomous Holdings Limited is largely an organization that supported Israel's technology. Through its completely in-hand subsidiary, Foresight Automotive Limited is engaged within the style, development, and commercialization of advanced safety driver help and autonomous driving solutions for the automotive business. Foresight's video detector may be a 4-camera system supported by 3D video analysis, advanced algorithms for image process, and detector fusion. iNet Mobile cellular-based application may be a V2X, vehicle-to-everything accident bar answer supported the period spatial analysis of client's movement. The company's system Square Measure designed to enhance driving safety by enabling correct and reliable threat detection whereas guaranteeing rock-bottom rates of false alerts. Foresight targets the Advanced Driver Help Systems (ADAS), the semi-autonomous associate degreed autonomous vehicle market, and predicts that its system can revolutionize automotive safety by providing an automotive-grade, cost-efficient platform and advanced technology. Advantages. FSRX's stereoscopic technology leverages the benefits of passive sensors instead of active systems. It provides you 2 synchronous cameras to mimic 3D human depth perception. In distinction, active sensors emit energy that will interfere with others, leading to the chance of some objects going undiscovered. QuadSight doesn't accept pattern recognition. Rather, it's a passive stereo vision system that uses advanced image process algorithms for correct depth analysis and detects objects from out there lightweight and thermal radiation caught by its infrared cameras. Luminar Technology. Luminar, Nasdaq LAZR, is an associate degree autonomous vehicle detector and code company with the vision to power transportation by delivering the sole measuring instrument capable of creating them each safe and present. We tend to the remodeled measuring instrument from the chip level to fulfill the rigorous performance and safety needs. Who owns Luminar? Luminar corporate executive and co-founder Austin Russell is poised to become a rich person at 25 once his autonomous driving technology company Luminar goes public on working days. The measuring instrument sensing technology company works with major automakers furthermore as Intel's Mobileye. Where is Luminar located? Luminar Technologies Inc. is found in Town, California, US, and is a component of the Research Project and Development Services business. How much will Luminar cost? Luminar is on the market directly from the Skylum website for $69, often discounted, with no subscription needed, although you do not get major updates enclosed. It is not out there within the Windows App Store. However, it's within the Raincoat App Store. How does one get Luminar for free? If you wish to grab Luminar 3 without charge, move to the Skylum website and supply your email information. To select Luminar 4 at the low $54 upgrade value, you will have to transfer Luminar 3 first and then give your Luminar 3 verification code on the Skylum upgrade page. Is Luminar 4 smart for beginners? Luminar 4 tutorial for beginners. Luminar 4 is astounding exposure written material code, good for beginners furthermore as for enthusiasts and execs. It comes with various AI tools and unimaginable effects and may perform each as a photograph organizer and photograph editor. Is Luminar price buying? Luminar 4's sky replacement tool has exceeded all the packaging and is worth the code's value alone. It's well executed and also the style of device that may have you ever re-editing all of your existing photos. What color area will Luminar use? Suppose you utilize Lightroom or Luminar or alternative tools. In that case, they're going to convert your Adobe RGB image to sRGB because of the last step, and once they do, you will get higher results than if you had altered your appearance victimization solely sRGB. Is the market as overvalued? Most discussions concerning the exchange eventually get around to valuation. Square Measure shares costs too high, too low, or simply right. However, the valuation might not stock the answers investors need to listen to. Bloomberg opinion columnists Nir Kassar and Barry Ritholtz recently met online to dialogue. Valuation measures aren't useless. They solely aren't the be-all metric several believe. Valuation provides a rough vary of expected returns. However, only a broad estimate. In reality, the truthful worth may be that markets tend to careen past on their thanks to turning into unbelievable low cost or wildly pricey. It's not a degree wherever equities ever pay abundant time. What is the most effective time once to sell a stock? For investors, finding a stock to shop for may be fun and satisfying activity. It may also be quite profitable, provided you finish up shopping for a store that will increase in value. However, once Square Measure, you speculated to move into and purchase shares. Below Square Measure 5 tips to help you establish once to get stocks so that you have an honest probability of creating cash from those stocks. 3 tips once to shop for a stock. As with several things, the temporal arrangement is everything once it involves commerce and investment within the markets. Analyzing once to purchase a stock may be difficult. However, going in once the obtaining suite will enhance your returns. Here we tend to reevaluate some common ways for once to shop for stock to offer you the most effective possibilities of capturing a winner. When a stock goes on sale. When it involves looking, shoppers Square Measure perpetually on the lookout for a deal. Black Weekday, Cyber Month, and the Christmas season Square Measure prime samples of low-cost encouragement voracious merchandise demand. However, investors aren't getting nearly as excited once stocks persist in the sale for a few reasons. A herd mentality takes over within the exchange, and investors tend to avoid stores once cost squares measure low. If stock costs Square Measure oversold, investors will decide whether or not they Square Measure on sale and sure to rise within the future. Returning to one stock price target isn't necessary. Instead, establishing a variety at that, you'd purchase stock is additionally affordable. Analyst reports Square Measure an honest start line. As Square Measure accord value targets, that Square Measure averages all analyst opinions. Most money websites publish these figures. While not a value firing range, investors would have hassle crucial once to shop for a stock. It was all from my side. I hope you liked this video about Mark Cuban new stock. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up and tell me in the comments section either this was useful for you or not. And either you want that, I will upload more videos related to the stock market. And please always remember to share this video with your family and friends. I will be back with a more informatics video until then. Stay tuned with my channel and take care.